Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the solution to or the reason why you cannot watch VIP content even though you are a VIP member. Now, if this is happening to you, you need to check your membership status. Yes, check whether the current membership account is actually activated. Then it might be due to account malfunction. You see, standard VIP membership or members can watch VIP content on 2 devices at the same time. Premium VIP members can watch VIP content on 4 devices at the same time. If your account is used by multiple devices, please manage device through settings, tap on account and security, and then select device management in your mobile app. Now, if you are seeing the prompts for playback errors while trying to watch the VIP content, please submit your feedback on the playback page and provide a specific title to the episode so that Iqiyi can solve it for you as soon as possible. Hope you found the video helpful.